We'll guide you through how to rotoscope in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and import your footage into the timeline. You need to go to the Color page by clicking the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, look for the node editor, which is usually in the top right corner. Right-click in the node editor and select Add Alpha Output to ensure your rotoscoping work affects the alpha channel. Now, select the node where you want to apply the rotoscope. On the left side, locate the qualifier tool, which looks like a dropper icon, and click it. This will allow you to isolate colors and areas you want to rotoscope. For more precise work, go to the Power Window section, which is right next to the qualifier tool. Here you can choose different shapes like a circle, square, or even draw a custom shape using the pen tool to define the area you want to rotoscope. With your shape selected, you can adjust it by dragging the points or using the feathering options to make the edges smooth. If the object you are rotoscoping is moving, you'll want to animate your mask. Go to the Tracker panel, which is on the bottom middle section, and use the tracker to automatically follow the motion of the object. You can refine this tracking by adjusting keyframes manually if needed. Once you're satisfied with your mask and tracking, go back to the Edit page and view your footage to ensure everything looks perfect. Export your project by going to the Deliver tab and choose your preferred export settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.